Signing your life away, are you, Peter?
It's time for the adventure, my friends.
Okay. He's just dropped the GoPro! Oh, dude. How was that experience?
Overall it was great. Had an interesting ending to it, but
yeah,
things happen.
So we only had to pay 4,000 baht, so not too bad. Let's have a better day now, shall we?
Yeah, time to enjoy.
They had like a
Cheers, bro.
cheers.
Only falling sunsets here.
Look at the sales page, and if you don't feel the urge to buy immediately, then I will be shocked. I will be so shocked if you don't instantly buy.
He's a master of NLP, this dude.
We're legitimately here to help you guys. Like, trust me, yeah, the money's great, the tropical pool is amazing, but really what we do this for is the testimonials. I mean, Fraser, how great does it feel every morning you wake up when you have these dozens of members sending you all these incredible testimonials? I mean,
Yeah,
all jokes aside, it is the best feeling in the world.
And what I'll do now is I'll put some of the screenshots of all the testimonials that we're getting from our members every single day. I mean, that's what we want to do. We want to help you guys start living like this.
Yeah.
You know, making money whilst we're out enjoying life. So yeah, that was a little pattern interrupt for this video. But if you are serious, we do want to help. You know, just reach out to myself or Peter, depending on who you're watching or whose profile you're watching it on, and yeah,
let's
just get started. So with that out of the way, let's continue with the vlog. Hey, what up, pal? What up? Oh man, you're soft as hell, you, ain't you? Yeah, I think Peter's found a new friend. So yeah, today's definitely been epic so far, guys, and we're not even finished yet. It's about to get a bit more epic.
More adventures on the way.
It's gonna be fun. So yeah, let's head off and see what happens. So after me and Peter left that infinity pool yesterday, we didn't really get up too much. We just kind of called it a night. So right now, me and the missus we're at this pretty cool little cafe. I'll take you guys to see in a minute, but it's pretty epic. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ah.
Come here.
No, that's not cow.
Why is it not count? Not fair, right?
Try it again. Oh shit. Come on.
Love it, don't you, babe?
Yeah, so nice.
So beautiful.
I'm being here all day.
So we're gonna finish the vlog, or you're gonna keep dancing? So yeah, that's another one wrapped up, guys. So until next time, we'll see you then.
Bye.